Welcome back. Today we join a solitary builder as he transforms a raw earthen pit into a reinforced wilderness shelter. The forest dictates the terms, but patience shapes the outcome. Clearing the site isn't just about space. It ensures a level foundation immune to root rot. Structural integrity starts with sourcing dense, seasoned timber. Green wood shifts as it dries, so selecting the right fallen timber is paramount. Hours later, the framing is capped with an impermeable barrier. Burying the tarp's edges below ground level redirects runoff, preventing pooling near the foundation walls. Heavy structural logs are laid across the span. They provide essential ballast against wind lift while breaking up the visual silhouette. Natural light fundamentally changes the psychology of a subterranean space. To secure the glass pane, a custom channel is carved directly into the framing stock. This groove creates a tight mechanical lock, eliminating the need for complex hardware. The tolerances must be precise. If the fit is too loose, cold drafts bypass the thermal envelope. Too tight, and the wood's natural expansion will shatter the pane. A hatchet cleanly sinks, the final fasteners flush with the plumb line. The structure is now fully enclosed. Beyond the camp, early spring meltwater reclaims the lower woods. A crude platform of lashed timber offers the only reliable traverse. Displacement dictates the vessel's capacity, and navigating these shallows demands constant balance and deliberate poling. The cold water poses a genuine threat if a misstep occurs. A stable craft turns a flooded obstacle into a navigable resource route. Woven willow functions as a natural funnel system. The dark bread bait attracts bottom feeders, while the tapered opening allows entry but prevents escape. Submerging the basket in a natural bottleneck leverages the current to carry the scent downstream. Back at the site, backfilling the trench stabilizes the lower log tiers and insulates the floor line. Sealing the doorway gaps with green moss is an ancient, highly effective technique. The organic material swells with ambient moisture, expanding to fill uneven voids and acting as a breathable thermal barrier. A proper camp requires a dedicated workspace off the damp ground. Splitting the timber along its grain yields a naturally flat surface. Augering deep mortises allows for sturdy, friction-fit legs without metal fasteners. Returning to the submerged bottleneck pays off. Retrieving the willow trap reveals the efficiency of passive foraging, turning the landscape's natural currents into a reliable food supply. Scoring the flesh allows dry heat and seasoning to penetrate deeply, accelerating the cooking process over the open hearth. Radiant heat from the stone-lined pit ensures an even roast. In the end, structure, landscape, and daily routine operate as one system. What began as a damp earthen pit has evolved into a fully functional camp. The heavy timber, the insulated walls, and the passive food gathering all work in unison. Survival is more than mere endurance. It is the deliberate application of foresight.